Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Working on the Strider Sport bike. We are going to install snow skis. Let's get started. All right, DIYers at the workstation now, and on the table is the Strider Sport bike, and we are going to install the snow skis. And in a previous video, we removed the pedal kit to our Strider 14X and installed brand new snow skis. In the event that you have this bike and you want step-by-step guidance on how to remove a pedal kit and install the skis, definitely check out the link scrolling above. However, back to the Strider Sport. I've got it positioned upside down on the table. Let's go and open the skis. Skis are out of the packaging. Grab your instruction manual. Verify all your parts are here. You've got 4 thin ski straps, 2 skis, and 2 wide wheel straps. Verify they're all there. And as you can see, if yours is like ours is all wrapped and Velcroed. And what we need to do is unvelcro all these straps and pull them off the ski. Making progress. 4 thin straps, 2 wide straps, and on the skis, they have little cutouts, one on the front, one on the back. And back to the instructions. What we will do is feed the thin straps through those cutouts of the skis. And what we are going to do is position the skis in the same manner or position as shown in the instructions. All 4 thin straps are inserted. And very important, make sure when you're inserting these straps, have the Velcro portion facing down. Slide them in halfway on both skis. From here, we will carefully lift the bike up and rest the bike onto the skis and position them where the axle goes right into the slots. And now to the front, you may have to slide your bike until you can carefully rest that in place as shown here. And from here, what we'll do is reference the instructions and pull the straps through, and you've got 2 loops, and we will secure the tires to the skis. Next part's pretty important. Go ahead and align these spokes with the plastic ski frame here as shown. And after doing that, you can feed the far end strap through over the wheel and through both loops. And once you get it through, slide that all the way up. And I like to bring it down near the rubber portion of the tire. And then you will split the 2 loops and slide the strap through the middle and through the inner loop. And once you get it through, go ahead and carefully continue tightening the strap on the wheel itself and pull the strap tight. And the easiest way to do this is pinch the strap in place on the tire and move the strap back and forth so the loops tighten the strap, feed it through, and Velcro it down. And you'll do the same for the rear strap. Again, through the loops, go ahead and split the loops and feed the strap through the center portion. Then pull the strap through, and I'll do the exact same thing. I will tighten the strap by pinching the very bottom and tightening the strap through the loops and Velcro it down. And that is what the front portion looks like. What we'll do now is the rear straps. Making progress, all 4 thin straps are tight and secure. Now on to the wide straps, and reference your image here. And I'll set the camera down. And grabbing the first wide strap with the Velcro facing outward, I will slide it on the inner portion of the fork through the spoke here and around and pull it all the way through. And the wide straps only have 1 loop. I will insert the strap through the loop. And what I want to do now is just shift the strap until that loop is all the way in the center portion of the wheel. Because as I tighten this, I don't want that metal loop touching the fork and rubbing the paint off. From here, pull the strap tight and apply it to the Velcro. And that is what it looks like. And again, that is the very front tire. Now to the rear tire. Again, reference the image. When installing the rear strap, verify your Velcro is facing up and go through the tire above the frame and all the way back underneath through the wheel and all the way underneath the frame here through the loop. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to position the loop where it is in the center of the wheel. Pull the strap tight toward you and loop it underneath and connect the Velcro. And that is what the rear strap is supposed to look like wrapped around the frame itself on each side. And as you can see, that just took minutes. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Let's go over to the window. And as you can see, we're about to go have fun.